how to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to any web browser and then on the search bar search for Snapchat account blocked. So hit search and then go to the support page. My Snapchat account is locked. And then here you'll find the support page that will provide the help that you need. So the first thing you need to find out if your account is temporarily locked or permanently locked. If it's temporarily locked, it's usually due to unauthorized third-party apps or plugins. In that case, just wait 48 hours and then try logging in again. However, another thing you can do is you can ask why my account is locked, and here it will give you reasons that you need to follow. You need to verify your email or phone number for added security, and then you need to stop the unauthorized third-party apps, plugins, or tweaks. So you can search for who can unlock my account. And then here you can see that if you see a message in the Snapchat app that the account has been temporarily locked, you can try to unlock it yourself. You just have to go in the link given and you will need to ask Snapchat support for help by logging in, putting in your email address, your phone number, and then asking Snapchat support for help by putting in all the details of what might have happened and asking them to solve it. I'm pretty sure Snapchat will get back to you within 24 or 48 hours. So I hope it helps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.